In the PMP exam, there's a very important idea you must clearly understand. The exam does not test memorization. It tests your understanding of the nature of the project. Let's simplify it. First, we have Waterfall. Waterfall is the traditional approach to project management. The idea is that the project moves step by step in a fixed and structured way. First, we analyze the requirements, then we design the solution, then we execute, after that we test, and finally we deliver the project. The key point here is that everything must be clear from the beginning. There are no major changes during execution. In simple terms, if the requirements are stable and clearly defined from the start, then Waterfall is the correct choice. Now, let's move to Agile. Agile is completely different. It is a flexible approach that relies on continuous change and continuous improvement. Instead of working on the whole project at once, we divide it into small parts, deliver each part incrementally, and adjust based on customer feedback. The idea here is that change is not a problem. On the contrary, it is a natural part of the working process. So, Agile is suitable when requirements are not fully clear or are expected to change over time. Now we come to the most important point in the PMP exam, which is the trap. The exam will not directly tell you to use Agile or Waterfall. Instead, it will give you a scenario with clues you must pay attention to. If you see words like unclear, constantly changing, evolving needs, this is a strong indicator that the answer is Agile. But if you see words like fixed, clear, defined scope from the beginning, then the answer is most likely Waterfall. Very important conclusion. In PMP, it's not about the name of the methodology, it's about understanding the nature of the project from the context. If everything is clear and stable, Waterfall. If there are changes and uncertainty, Agile. And finally, always remember, the exam is not trying to trick you. It is simply testing whether you truly understand the scenario or not.